A lot of our mathematics that we're going to be using is going to be modeling things that happen in the real world. So one of the things you have to learn how to do is to create a scatter plot of data, a graphical representation of data which is relating two variables. So in order to do that, we have some data on our average monthly temperature for Indianapolis, and this is on the average temperature worksheet, so that's the one I'm referring to. And there's some instructions here, and I'm going to walk us through these instructions, but this is the data that I'm going to be using in this table. So on your calculator, you're going to go Control Doc, open a new document. Sometimes it'll ask you if you want to save the document you're currently in. Mostly I don't, I just push no. But you want to be in a document rather than on the scratch pad right now. Then you're going to add a lists and spreadsheet page, and it's going to open something that's like a table, like an Excel spreadsheet. The white box, you title your list, and you'll see that on that sheet we're going to put in month for one of our titles, and then we're going to put in, and mine just automatically came up because I've already done this on another page. Actually, I should just go to my other page. You put in month and you put in temperature, and then you're going to type in the month values, the month numbers, 1 for January, 2 for February, and then the corresponding temperature. So pause and do that now if you haven't done that already. The second step, we're going to do a Control Doc to open a new page, and we're going to go to a list and spreadsheet page. Sorry, not a list and spreadsheet page, a data and statistics page. Here you should see some points scattered around. You're going to move your cursor down to the bottom, and you're going to click to add your X variable, and we're going to use month for our X variable. And then you're going to click over to the left, and you're going to add temperature as your Y variable, and this creates a graph that looks like this. Now later on, if you change your data, this data is this window is automatically sized for this data. If you ever need to change the data, you might need to change your window, and if you go to Menu, Window, Zoom Data, it will automatically zoom the window to fit your new data. So Menu, Window, Zoom Data for new data. So this is how you make a scatter plot. If I write an equation for the scatter plot, which we're going to do in just a moment, you're going to push Menu, Analyze, and you're going to add Plot Function, and it's going to open a box, and you can type in your equation, and then it will graph on top of your scatter plot. So we're going to be doing that in just a minute. So that's the basics of how to do the scatter plot on the Nspire.